Chapter 15.8 Using Hyperlinks. A hyperlink is a method of accessing another document or resource from your current application. Hyperlinks do not just relate to web pages or other application software can also use them. Anchors. An anchor is a point of reference within the page. It is similar to a bookmark when using word processing or desktop publishing software. We will open the web page 6 and style3.css. Edit the web page so that each new section contains an anchor. Use the anchors to create hyperlinks from the appropriate text in the first paragraph. Make the word top in the last line a hyperlink to the top of the page. Make the word CIE website a hyperlink to the website www.cie.org.uk and words W3C website a hyperlink to www.w3.org. Now we're going to open the web page. We are going to come page 1. We'll just write here a space name equals to top. We will close it, then we must close the a. So now we're going to page 2 in 15a. Understand what HTML is. So we're going to open a space name equals to 15a. We will close and we will also close the a. We go to 15b. We'll do the same thing. A name equals to 15b. Close the a. We will do the same thing to C. A name equals to 15C. Close the A. Now we must also add to the 15D, E and F too. We can just copy and paste it. Just change the name. After doing that, we must go down back to the top. So we come here back to the age reference equals to the word hashtag top. Close it, and we will also close the tag. We'll the top, then the word top, close the A. After that, we're going to the first paragraph. Come here, hyperlink to the anchor named 15A. We will need to know, since we will use the wattage HTML to go there, so here we click href equals to hashtag 15, close, it's 15A, then we must close. After HTML, we must close the A, since that will be the where we're going to click to go to 15A. We will go to now 15B. So once we after the HTML, we have once of the you have a sound of understanding of HTML, it is worth considering the use of. Then we'll put it here, go back, just open so we can see that easily. The word of, just a age reference equals to hashtag 15B, close. Let's also close this. You must never forget to close the A. We'll close. Then you must go to and the potential problems of using these packages. Make sure that you then we must put here a age reference equals to hashtag 15C, close. So since it's going to be until here, so we close the A here. Then we have to look for learn how to create and attach. We can put the reference here. Learn how to open a href equals to hashtag 15d, close. Then create and attach style sheets. After style sheets, we close the A. Then we must look for the air. Make sure you can work with tables. So we can come here. Make sure that you can a giraffe equals the before one is D, so this will probably be E. Hashtag 15E. Close. Work with tables. As I work with tables, we must close the A. This will provide a fundamental, and we must look for the end of the sentence. So we come here to look for, after for we're going to put a giraffe equals to hashtag 15F, close, and after other resources we're going to close the A. After that everything is done. So since we want to go to other sites, we have to look for the after the 15F, below them we have here the site. Here we have to look for the CIE word. So here this include the, after the we put the reference href equals to http www.cie.org.uk, close. After the CIE website, since that is going to be the words that we will link to the site, so we have to close it and put it between the A, and also we must do the same thing to the W3C to go to the website. So we're going to put and the a href equals to http www.w3.org. We close it. After the W3C website, we close the A. So now it's done and we can now test. So we're going to open the web page 6, going down, click on top, it will go to top, click on CIE website, it's going to the CIE website. We'll now go back to the web page, I'm going to click on W3C website and it will go to the W3C website. Now we will try to use, but we want to do it for an email. We will send an email. So you're going to open the website, edit, go down, make a new paragraph. We're going to write age reference equals to mail to Graham point A point Brown arroba hotmail.com .uk. Then we're going to put a question mark. After the question mark, we're going to write subject, which the subject will be IGCSE 20% book. We'll close and we'll click here to contact our page. Now we'll close the A, we will close the P. We'll save it, go back there, and as we see here, it will send the email.